Applying safety film to glass. You'll need soapy water in a spray bottle, a squeegee, a sharp utility knife or razor, a small absorbent towel, and the glass and safety film. Make sure the side with the backing liner is facing up. Step 1. Measure the film and cut it a couple of inches larger than the glass it will be applied to. Step 2. Separate the film from the backing liner. Apply a small piece of tape to both front and back of one corner so it's easier to separate the two layers. If you're working alone, tape the corner down. Begin pulling back the liner slowly. The backing liner will be discarded. Step 3. Place the film on the glass. If working alone, this will be the most challenging step. Once the backing liner is removed, liberally apply soapy water to both the film and the glass. Flip the film onto the glass with both wet sides together. Step 4. Remove the water and air bubbles. Create a cross in the center of the glass. This creates 4/4 of workspace. Using the squeegee, begin to slide the water out from between the film and the glass. Use the towel to absorb the excess water by holding it near the edge of the glass as you squeegee. Do this until all the water and bubbles are gone in each quarter. You may notice that the film is overhanging on the edges. Grasping the overhanging edge, slide the film until it's flush with one edge. By doing this step, you eliminate the need to trim 1 to 2 sides later. I found trimming difficult, and I cut myself badly on the edge of the film. After having removed the water from each quarter, inspect for bubbles. Step 5. Trim the excess. Holding the razor at an angle, slowly drag it along the edge of the glass. Be very careful with the edge of the cut film. It is quite sharp. As you do this step, you may need to go over the edge of the glass once more to secure the contact between the film and the glass. If you notice that you've captured an undesirable piece of dust, think twice about trying to remove it. The film is sticky, and it's difficult to do without making things worse. I found a black speck, and I insisted to remove it, which resulted in many smaller black specks and could have jeopardized the great job I did in removing all the bubbles. Thanks for watching.